everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Delicious aloo fish curry. Today I'm going to share with you very delicious aloo fish curry or potato fish curry. This is a super delicious combination of aloo with fish. The fish I'm going to use, this is a wild Alaskan Pacific cod fish. This is a 2-pound and these are frozen. Olive oil for tadka, you can use vegetable oil. 1 jumbo size onion, 4 tomatoes, 3 potatoes, 2 green chili, about 1 inch ginger. This is a garlic bowl. I'm going to use only 2 garlic cloves. These garlic cloves are huge, big, like a jumbo. So I will be using 2 of these. The regular size, you're going to be using 4 garlic cloves. Spices from masala dabba and fresh cilantro to garnish our curry. So the first thing will be taking out the pouches. This is what I do when I cook these frozen fish, like this. Don't puncture it. If you have enough time on your hand, then take it out, put it outside on your countertop. After a couple hours, you can cut the pieces. The way I do it, I get a big bowl, I place these inside like this. And I fill up with the cold water. Then after 10 minutes later, I just change the water again. Another 10-15 minutes, I'll change the water again. So within half an hour, there will be no more ice. Open the bags and we'll take the fish pieces out. This is always a good idea when you make a curry. You make a smooth gravy. The dish itself tastes better when you have a smooth gravy. So I'm going to make a smooth puree. I'm going to use food processor, onion, tomatoes separately, garlic, ginger, green chili. We'll put it together. So this is what we need. Put it inside the cold water, just like this. After 10 minutes, we're going to change the water and also bring the bottom pieces on the top and the top pieces goes at the bottom. Just like this. I left the fish inside the water for 20 minutes. Change the water. Now I just cut open these bags. Once you cut open these bags, it's also washed. Now get a strainer and place these fish pieces just like this. I'm done with my tomatoes. This is nice. I put it into Ninja blender. This is smooth gravy. Same thing I did with the onion, ginger, garlic, green chili. I always list my ingredient list under description, so please check it out. I'll be using spices from masala dabba. This is what we have done with the potatoes. We cut into smaller pieces and soaked into the water. It's a cold water. Only reason we're doing it so it won't get discolored. And these are the pieces. So this is what I'm going to do. I cut right in the middle like this. So we're going to keep this big pieces like this. The piece is big like this. I'm going to make it 3 pieces. One right here like this. And the second one. So make it big pieces like this. So I'll cut up the same way and let's start making our delicious aloo fish curry. Start burner. Get a fry pan. Add 1 tablespoon olive oil. As the oil starts to heat up, add cumin seed. Give it like 10 seconds. Add ginger, garlic and green chili paste. And mix it. And we're going to cook it like 10 seconds. We just need the raw garlicky flavor to go away. This is good. Add onion. Mix it well. Keep it moving and keep cooking. We're going to cook onion really well. Keep stirring so it won't get burned. I'm using string platter. Our tadka is nicely cooked, and now I'll add the tomato puree. Mix it well. Bring your gas to medium. Once it's nicely combined, cover with the lid and cook it for 3 minutes. With the covered lid, cooking for 3 minutes. Mix it. Bring the gas on high. Tadka is fully cooked. These are the spices I'm going to use. Salt, cumin powder, coriander powder, garam masala, 1 teaspoon each. Kashmiri mirch. This is the Kashmiri mirch I'm using it. 2 teaspoons. Half teaspoon turmeric powder. Add all these dry spices into tadka and mix it well. And on high gas, we're going to cook it for 1 minute. Cooking spices for 1 minute. Now add potatoes, aloo. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, add water and 2 cups. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, bring your gas to medium, cover with the lid and cook it for 5 minutes. It's exactly 5 minutes cooking with covered lid. I'll open it. Mix it. The whole reason we cook potatoes because they take a little longer to cook. The fish don't take that long to cook. If we check the potatoes, they are still firm. Cover with the lid again and cook it additional 5 minutes so that the potatoes, the aloo, they get tender. Another 5 minutes. Altogether, we cook the potatoes for 10 minutes. Mix it. And if we check the potatoes now you can break it easily. They are tender. If we check another potato, so it's nicely cooked. Now add fish. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, as you can see, the curry is very thick gravy. So I'm going to add 1 more cup water. So initially we added 2 cups. So I'll add 1 more cup. Altogether 3 cups. Fresh lemon juice. I'm going to use half of it. So mix it 1 more time. Once it's nicely combined, cover with the lid on medium gas. Cook it for 5 minutes. Cooking for 5 minutes, I'll open it. As you can see, the fish is so delicate. This one does not take that long to cook. Within 5 minutes, it's all nicely cooked. Now we'll add cilantro, which is dhania. After adding cilantro, mix it. Bring your gas to simmer. Cover the lid again and cook it for 2 minutes. Another 2 minutes on a simmer. I'll open it. I'll turn off the gas. Aloo fish curry is all ready. I have my serving bowl ready and I'm going to dish out. This is very easy fish curry recipe. Very delicious fish curry. Let me share with you. Aloo fish curry or potato fish curry. This is so delicious, super tasty. So please try this recipe. Like always, like, share and subscribe. Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.